Good morning mga kaibigan. Ito mag-host tayo ngayon ng National Artist Exhibit dahil Tourism Month ngayong buwan ng September. Ayan, nakasalubong sa ito. Hello! Pumunta ngayon tayo sa atrium para simulan ng program. Ito nga pala mga kasama natin, mga kaibigan natin sa sound system, shoutouts. Ayan, may mga masasarap din, mga bibingka, mga kakanin, Filipino style para sa mga bisita ng Tourism Month. Ayan si G, shoutout.
Hi,
Mahihayin kami.
ayun kasi pala, alam mo, di ba mamiga?
Ito nakita ko ni Councilor Dante na yung number living around with Councilor Don Aliano. Mababa na actually sa Pilipinas. Hindi siya na sisimulan na tayo.
Naganda rin set, ha?
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat and welcome to the launching of Tourism Month 2025 here in San Juan City. Ngayong buwan ng September, ating pinagdiriwang hindi lamang ang ganda at kasaysayan ng ating lungsod, kundi pati na rin ang ating pagkamalikhain at kulturang sariling atin na nagbibigay kulay sa ating pagkatao at pagiging tunay na Pilipino. To start our celebration, we will launch a special exhibit today featuring the national artists who were born in the month of September. Tampok ngayong linggo ang mga pambansang alagad ng sining na isinilang sa buwan ng Setyembre. Mahalagang bigyang bugay at pagkilala ang ating mga national artists sapagkat sila ang nagsisilbing haligi ng ating sining at kultura. Marapat lamang kung silang kilalanin at huwag kalimutan ng bawat henerasyon. Ang kanilang mga obra, their works and contributions prove that we Filipinos are truly world-class. Ngayong taon, ating pagdiriwang ang karawan ng mga sumusunod na pambansang alagad ng sining. Born on September 4, 1943, Rezel B. Mojares is the National Artist for Literature, a prestigious title he was awarded in 2018. Born on September 5, 1929, Ildefonso P. Santos Jr. was the National Artist for Architecture, a title he received in 2006. Born on September 6, 1916, Francisco Arceliana was named the National Artist for Literature in 1990. Awarded as the National Artist for Literature in 1997, Nestor Vicente Madali Gonzalez, a novelist, was born on September 8, 1915. Gerardo de Leon, born on September 12, 1913, was the National Artist for Cinema, a title he was given in 1982. In the year 1973, Amado V. Hernandez was declared a National Artist for Literature. He was born on September 13, 1903. Agnes Locsin, born on September 28, 1957, was named a National Artist of the Philippines for Dance in the year 2022 and a National Artist for Cinema in 2001. Ishmael Bernal was born on September 30, 1938. It is a great honor to know them and to pass their legacy to the younger generation. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, to officially open the Tourism Month and give his message to everyone, let us call on our city mayor, and he's also the League of Cities of the Philippines National President, and also the Metro Manila Council President. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mayor Francis Zamora.
National Tourism Consideration sa ating pong tatampok ang ating national artist na pinagalang po sa mga September. Malaking bagay po ito sa malaking bagay po na ating celebration ay ibigay bugay sa mga tao na tumulong upang nangangailangan ng signal kultura sa ating bansa. Kaya nadalihan po lahat ng mga isa sa ating exhibit at napananakos po ito ng maraming mga tayo mga susunod na exhibits sa mga darating na linggo upang pagdiwang ang ating national tourism. So, muli, maraming salamat and everyone is welcome to experience the exhibit. Maraming salamat.
you very much, Mayor Frank Zamora. And I will begin our ribbon cutting ceremony, of course, led by Mayor Frank Zamora, together with Vice Mayor Angela Guruli and our district councilors. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, the official launch of the Tourism Month 2025 and our opening exhibits. And our celebration doesn't end here. Hindi pa po dito nagtatapos ang ating pagdiriwang dahil gaya nga po ng sinabi ni Mayor Frank Zamora, marami pa po papagin ang ating Tourism Month of this year 2025. We have a lot more to look forward to throughout the entire month of September from our City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Departments this Tourism Month. Next week, magkakaroon tayo ng mga reading sessions kasama ang mga award-winning writers na nagawaran ng prestiyosong Palanca Award na sina Virgilio Alma Almario na isa ring national artist, Michelle Rivera at Ogie Rivera sa December 8. Yan po ay September 10 on Wednesday and September 11 Thursday. And then it will be followed by the spoken word poetry contest on September 12, and that's on Friday next week. Sa ikatlong linggo ng September ay linggo ng kasuotan ng Pilipino. Makikita natin ang mga kasuotan mula sa Jenny Tereselle ng Maria Clara at Ibarra at mga kasuotan ng ating mga kilalang personalidad at leader dito sa ating bansa. Yan po yung mga creations ng mga local designers natin dito sa Pilipinas. Plus, may Best in Kasuotang Pilipino contest din tayo para sa lahat ng mga empleyado ng pamahalaan. Kaya kung interesado po kayo na sumali sa ating Best in Kasuotang Pilipino,
naman, si Councilor Frank Cañete yung nakakita sa atin.
Mag-register kayo sa Tourism Office. That's a 4th week, ang huling linggo ng Setyembre. Sama-sama tayong maghahanda para sa 30 plus, the San Juan City Adventure Challenge. A unique heritage race that will pass through
Peace out. Mabait po ang ating mga councilors.
15 historical and well-known sites here in San Juan City. Yan po, 15 mga makasaysayan at kilala po dito sa lungsod ng San Juan ang ating pong iikutin sa huling linggo ng Tourism Month. Truly, our celebration of the Tourism Month this September is truly full of arts, culture, and history. Kaya aming inigilan ang lahat na makiisa, makilahok at ipagdiwang ang yaman ng ating lungsod at ng ating bansa.
Picture tayo.
Ay, syempre, kailangan may mandatory pictorial tayo. Mandatory picture taking. Kaya iyan po mga kaibigan na ating first week ng Tourism Month at marami po pong mangyayari sa loob ng buwan ng Setyembre. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana support